10 Habits of Wealthy and Successful People.
When you meet someone rich, you may ask yourself, how can I achieve the same degree of success? While there's no perfect answer to this question, don't just assume that everyone's success is based on luck or privilege. In fact, it's these 10 habits that has allowed many great people to achieve wealth and success. Number 10, the 5-25 rule. Billionaire Warren Buffett uses this productivity strategy to prioritize his goals. Out of 25 ideas, focus on your top 5. By doing this, you prevent yourself from getting distracted and only focus on ideas that have the potential to turn into something great. Number 9, never be afraid to make mistakes. They say there's no reward without the risk. Some ideas fly while others don't. But successful people realize there's knowledge and wisdom to be attained from failure. That same wisdom can be crucial in helping you overcome those same hurdles and pitfalls that block your path to success. Number 8, create a circle of people who inspire you. Sometimes it may be necessary to evaluate your list of friends and ask yourself if there are some who do more harm than good. Surround yourself with people who add positivity in your life. Always remember that birds of a feather flock together. Number 7, no excuses. Stop telling yourself that your goal is unattainable and stop making excuses. These negative thoughts will create unnecessary obstacles in your journey. Of course, critical evaluation is necessary, but do not let it derail you from your goals. Instead, focus on reasons as to why your goal is attainable. Number 6, say no more. Time is the most valuable commodity, so make sure you share it with people who deserve it. People who drain your energy and hold you back become obstacles towards your path to success. Number 5, write down your ideas. A good idea may come to you at any moment, and before you have time to give it proper thought, you've already forgotten it. Make sure you write down all your ideas so you can come back to them. Maybe only a few of these ideas will ever amount to much, but there's a chance that just one may lead to something very big. Number 4, solve difficult problems. Successful people are problem solvers. They'll analyze a situation and work towards a solution. And when the going gets tough, they don't give up and admit defeat. Number 3, ask questions. Listen more, talk less. Most people do the opposite and miss out on a perfect opportunity to learn and obtain more knowledge. If someone is successful and more experienced, ask the right questions. Be a good listener and soak in all that valuable knowledge. Number 2, make friends with the smartest person in the room. Most people feel threatened by other people's intelligence and what they've accomplished in life. But keep in mind, it's important to surround yourself with those bright minds. Their positive energy and methods of success can rub off on you. Number 1, do one thing every day that you loved as a child and smile more. Think about all the things that brought you happiness when you were a child. Do these same things still bring you happiness? Now, think about what would make your inner child happy. Would they be pleased with the direction you're currently taking? Sometimes inspiration can come from unexpected sources. And those are just 10 of the habits of wealthy and successful people. Thanks for watching.